Best Skin Whitening Cream Bar Skin Lightening Serum Cream Bar Best Skin Whitening Pills in Lahore, Pakistan Best Skin Whitening Pill in Pakistan Bar Best Skin Whitening Pill in Lahore Bar Best Skin Whitening Pill in Karachi. In this industrialized world, everyone is still busy for his earnings. No one is there to pay attention for oneself. Working for 8 or more hours in industries, agriculture, and other organizations, people exposed to great sunshines, pollution, and other environmental disturbances which harms their skin, as skin is mostly exposed and sensitive tissue of the body. For example, pollution induces oxidative stress and other micronutrient levels in your body. These things become the cause of irritating elements such as skin problems including acne, cystic acne, freckles, pimples, pigmentation, especially dark and dull skin tone. Many people having dark complexion wish to get a fair complexion. Well, we cannot blame them. It's only the need of today having a fair and whiter skin with no acne, no pimples, etc. Glutathione Best Skin Whitening Pills Cream in Lahore, Pakistan. 5 problems, 1 solution. All this mess is very irritating. The victim must face awkward situations due to some defined problems of skin. The major 5 problems are: 1. Acne, 2. Pimples, 3. Freckles, 4. Pigmentation, hypopigmentation, 5. Dull skin tone. These are the problems, and the one solution is glutathione. Glutathione Best Skin Whitening Pills Cream in Lahore, Pakistan. Why use glutathione? Glutathione is the body's most capable and critical cancer prevention agents, a vitadetoxifier expelling great amounts of metals, poisons, and free radicals which can harm our cells and essentially harm the nature of our cells, including skin cell, present in every cell in the body except this. Glutathione inhibit the production of melanin, a hormone that give color to our skin. The greater the melanin level in body, the darker the skin tone would be. Glutathione Best Skin Whitening Pills Cream in Lahore, Pakistan. Signs: you may need glutathione. The body may not produce a sufficient supply of glutathione under certain conditions such as aging, poor diet, infections, radiation therapy, stress, and trauma. Anyone experiencing these situations may benefit from glutathione supplements. Additional signs that indicate you may need glutathione include stress, poor immune function, heart health, skin problems, acne, pimples, freckles, pigmentations, etc. Glutathione Best Skin Whitening Pills Cream in Lahore, Pakistan. Glutathione available products. Glutathione is the revolutionary formula and is in use in many countries including Pakistan. Glutathione is available in following forms: glutathione whitening pills, glutathione whitening cream, glutathione injections, etc. Glutathione Best Skin Whitening Pills Cream in Lahore, Pakistan. Benefits of glutathione usage/treatment. Following are the benefits of glutathione: giving you freckles, skin, acne, scars, proof skin, smoothens body tone, immune system booster, removal of brownish spots from skin, whitens skin naturally, effective results within few days, more fresher skin, no wrinkles, look younger. Glutathione Best Skin Whitening Pills Cream in Lahore, Pakistan. The benefits of glutathione are not temporary and of satisfactory results to person. It is to use and easy to get. Many companies are working in Asia as in Pakistan. Glutathione products are very commonly used in Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, and some other big countries because people are aware of its benefits.